Hello, my dear friends. I am Snehal Mahajan, a life coach and founder of FabU. Today, I am going to tell you something about everything is figure outable. I learned this mantra from one of my mentor, Marie Folio. So let's dig into it. Do you have ever trouble finishing your work which you have started? Do amazing ideas come to you all the time, but when you start working on it, initially you feel very excited, but after some time that excitement goes down and you stop working on it? If you are a creative or ambitious person, then the answer is likely to be yes. But if you are not, then the answer is definitely no. It's not actually because of you. It's not that you are not deserving, you are not intelligent, or you are not a hardworking person. It's because of that fact that you haven't yet installed that one key belief in your life which is changing everything. And that one key belief is everything is figure outable. So everything is figure outable technique will train your brain in a very positive manner, and it will help you to achieve all your dream or goals in a step by step way. The main idea behind this phrase is that in life everything is possible, everything is figure outable, every problem has a solution. Whether you want to achieve anything in your life, whatever you want to achieve in your life, there is always a way to achieve that thing. From happiness to success to goal, there isn't one problem in your life which you are facing that doesn't have any solution. So that's why it is said that everything is figure outable. To support this mentality, I have some tips which I want to share with you all, so that it will help you to figure out any obstacle in your life. Step number 1, your roadmap to results. If you wish to desire something which you have envisioned for yourself, then try to do work first towards that goal, towards that dream. Also show the willingness to train your brain to grow. Try something new without disregarding them. Also, you can take help from others to grow in your life. Above all, you have to start working towards your dream. If you don't work towards your dream, it will not come in reality, it will not come true. So you have to work towards your dream so that it will come true. Step number 2, you must believe. Ask this question to yourself: what exactly I want to achieve in my life? Don't just say for the sake of saying that I want to achieve something in my life, because it won't work. So believe in yourself. Everything in this world starts with a belief. The car which you are driving, the good movie, the good song, everything starts with a belief. Can you imagine if people didn't work on their beliefs, what should happen? Nothing, right? So you should believe in your dreams, you should believe in your self, then only the things will happen. God knows, if you believe in yourself, your ideas may change the world. So always believe in yourself and always believe in your dreams. Step number 3, eliminate excuses. You are 100% responsible for your life. When you are saying that I can't do this thing, it actually doesn't mean that you can't do that thing. It means you don't want to do that thing. For example, is it not possible for you to wake up early in the morning and start your day? But it's possible, but you don't want to do it. Is it not possible for you to achieve your goal or desire? It is possible, but you don't want to do. There is nothing in this world which is very easy. So you have to work out towards that dream. You have to stop giving excuses. Then only you can achieve your dreams, then only you can achieve your goal. and that's why always avoid giving excuses. Okay, step number 4, deal with anything which is related to fear. Fear is not your enemy. The antidote to fear is action. Whatever dream, desire, belief you have locked away in your mind, let it come out, release it, because when it will come out, then only your dreams will come true, then only your dreams will come in reality. So step number 5, dream big. Always dream big. If you are dreaming for owning your car or owning your house, then just paint a picture of that thing in your head, work towards it, don't give up, and always try to make it happen. Till that time you are alive, just work on it. One day definitely you will get that thing, and it's my assurance that it will really get fulfilled one day. So all these tips which I have told you, it really worked. You just try it out. I have applied all these tips in my life, and I have figured out all the obstacles in my life. Now it's your turn to figure out all the obstacles in your life with these simple tips. I hope you got information how the everything is figure outable works. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share this with your friends so that they will also know about these amazing facts. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.